What is going on, YouTube? Today I have this, the Pikachu and Eevee GX Special Collection.
Hit like, subscribe.
And I have some code cards. Before we get too crazy, let me give you some Vivid Voltage and random code cards. I have more, and they will be given out randomly throughout the video. So let's see. This costs $30, which I kind of only wanted because I saw the value on the promos were going up, and I'm all about that. Good cards. The centering on these didn't look bad, so I picked this box over another one. Not bad at all. So I'm going to put this to the side. What do you know? Another code card appeared. We got this giant Pikachu Jumbo. I'll put that right there. And we have a Unified Minds. We have Cosmic Eclipse. Ah! I didn't even see that at the store. Steam Siege. And another Cosmic Eclipse. Code card. Alright, let's see. Let's start off with the Steam Siege, because we all know it's not that great. Code card. Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 3. I was thinking about doing some kind of crazy challenge, like opening some packs, and if I didn't get any secret rares or something, I would eat something crazy like some really hot sauce. I let my kid make something weird like cereal, like Lucky Charms and ketchup. If I didn't pull a secret rare, I'd have to eat Lucky Charms and ketchup. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Grass. Okay, Beef Energy going out there. Jolteon. Pangoro. Rapidash. Ponyta. Crabrawler. Code card for Vivid Voltage. Carvanha, Chinchou, Azumarill, Walrein, code card for XY Evolutions. Put Walrein off to the side. Where did I just put that? There it is. Okay, up there. Megalodon. Nothing too crazy in that one. Let's do the next Cosmic Eclipse. Code card for Cosmic Eclipse. Let's see. Okay, we got Erica, Vibrava, Great Catcher, Ralts, Sandygas, Feel, Cottony, Rowlett, Crabrawler, Silvally GX. Not bad. That's kind of cool. Alright, I'm gonna put that guy right. There's a little bit more. Don't want to damage any of the rare cards. We got Unified Minds. What do you know? Evolutions. Sword and Shield. Vivid Voltage. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry, there's a decent amount of more code cards. We got Dragonair, Basculin, Misty's Favor, Joltik, Salandon, Riolu, Meditite, Shroomish, Meesprit, and a Tapu Fini non-hollow. Dang. Would have had to eat hot sauce if I started that challenge today. But alright, so that was it. Here's some code cards for you guys. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, I have a giveaway going on through now till December 5th. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, and fund the giveaway video and comment on that. And you are entered. Oh, and I want to give you a special thank you for we have hit 37 subscribers. Yesterday we got 9 new subscribers. So we're almost at 40. That's what these code cards are for. A very, very special thank you to you guys. I really appreciate all the support. And don't forget,
hit like, subscribe.
Well, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video.